Good morning, guys. Hello. So today I am going to do a quick tutorial on how I do my Glossier makeup. So I have all my products here. You want to see that? So I have the Haloscope, the mascara, the cloud paint, the boy brow, concealer, and the perfecting skin tint, along with a yellow liner. So I have literally no time, so I'm about to run through this really fast. So I'm gonna start off with the skin tint. I just do like quick. And what I like the most about this is it's so that you can literally just run through this super fast because it doesn't, you can use your fingers for everything. Like, because this is literally all I brought with me while I traveled was this bag. And yeah, so now that I've applied the skin tint, I'm just gonna take my fingers, I'm gonna run it all through. Alright, and next I'm going to use the concealer. Just do a little because I low-key don't have the right color, but you know, we work with what we got. And it's like, it's not like I don't mind that I got a little light of a color because it's like overall, one, I'm gonna be wearing glasses, so it really won't be that noticeable. But yeah, I do sometimes wear this without glasses, and even still, it's like I can just put powder on top of a little bit of powder or mix it with some. I mean, the whole thing with Glossier is their stuff isn't drying, so it's like, if you want your skin to look, you know, dewy finish all over, and of course it's like, but for the most part, I don't mind. I'm taking the cloud paint next. And I just put that literally on my cheeks, real quick, like, takes no time. Done. Do the boy brow next. Hey. Yeah. Done. Next, take the Haloscope. Just use my finger for that. Does it, and I'll put just like a dab on my nose. All right, and then I do the mascara and the little liner, and that's really it. I mean, I need to sharpen the pencil. And there we go. Do that. Should I turn on another light? Doesn't matter. Loki did it in the dark the whole time, but mascara, and I can just I have to take pictures today also, so all right, here we go. And this is the completed look. Oh god. Yeah, this is a completed look. What do you think? It's super low maintenance, super effortless, and I feel like anyone can do it. So yeah, I hope you liked the little mini tutorial. And I'm out this day.